Hello everyone, we are back again. My name is Nishant Tiwari and welcome back to Nishant Tiwari classes. Okay, so this is a short info from for me. 13 plus years is to what this is organization, 4 years into teaching now. Okay, so we are studying Python 3. Okay, and this is for anyone who knows general English can study Python and he can master it. Okay, let's start. Let's start something that we studied, if you remember previously, right? So we have already started on data type. Okay, and in data type we are covering numbers. In numbers we are covering integers. Okay, so let me see if we have, if we can recall quickly. Okay, so anything that is a kind of number without decimal, that can be taken in a integer. Okay, whatever type it is, say if it is more than, say, 10,000 characters, don't worry. Okay, it will be covered in number itself. Like in other programming language, if you remember, if someone is coming from other programming language, integer will be having some specific to minus 257 to minus 2, not 257, something in a range. Okay, I don't recall the range correctly currently, but yeah, there will be a specific range, 2578 something. There is a range. Okay, but over here in Python, there is no such restriction on integer. Anything which do not have decimal, anything in the range of, like, which do not have decimal, that's it, understand? Okay, like 3752.5, that will be covered in float, but 37525 will be covered in integer. Okay, so very simple. All right, yeah. We also discussed something on memory allocation. I believe it was not clear. Okay, I believe it was not clear. So what I'm going to do is I am going to explain you this once again, but not now. Once we complete the data type, we are going to have a separate lecture on mutable and immutable object. Mutable and immutable object. Object. Let's quickly, if the word has come, object, let's quickly discuss what is object. What is object? What is object? Okay, some people who are coming from Java or from something other languages, they will say like classes, object. No, anything that is having a memory allocation is known as object. Anything that is having a memory allocation is known as object. Okay, anything that is having a memory allocation is known as object. Okay, let me hmm, let me okay, do not save. Let me create a paint again. I said anything that is having a memory allocation is object. Let me tell you like this: A equals something 23. Print. What happened? Oh, okay. One more thing. Do you see this? So now when I am trying to run this, it is not giving me this, you know, beautiful formats. It is not giving me this auto suggestion and all those things over here in the VS Code. Okay, why it is not giving the format? The format of this particular class is of type. The format of this particular class is of type. What is the type? It is txt, txt, txt. What I have to do? We'll just go rename to py. Py, nothing but py. Okay, now happily it is going to give us, now happily if you see, it is giving in green color, then a, then again space is not, something on the space, if I can say. See, formatting is very 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 important in, formatting is very 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 important in uh, Python. I'll give you a quick understanding on formatting. If a equals uh, a equals 10, okay, uh, and let's cover what we have started first, then we'll cover formatting. Okay, yeah. So hmm, okay, now let, what we are covering, we are covering print of a, print of a. Okay, if I can quickly go ahead and run, we'll see a value is 23, a value is 23. Let me take this. Sir, you have taken this part. Hmm? A equals 23. Hmm? Now, if I create, if I create a table, if I create a table, if I create a table, say I created a uh, this thing. Don't worry, don't worry. Hmm. Okay, say this is the memory, and I'm creating a memory slot, nothing but memory slot. 1, 2. Okay, sir, you said memory, explaining about memory. Okay, now if you see this thing, 23, a equals 23, as soon as as soon as, okay, this is memory, this is memory, uh, memory. Okay, this is very very big memory. I don't want, so don't worry about all these things. I'll give you a very clear memory, memory, memory. Now, anything, as soon as you create a equals this part, as soon as this is created, what will happen, what will happen, there will be an object of, there will be an object of there will be an object of 23, there will be an object of 23, that will be created here, that will be created here, 23. Okay, now we have this a, mm, now we have this a, uh, we have this now we have this, now we have this a, uh, this a is going to immediately point to your 23. Did you get this, did you get, now this 23, 23, if you see, is an object. Okay, as soon as we did a equals to 23, an object of 23 will be created and a reference. Now the reference is of a. Okay, what we say, reference of a for object 23. Okay, hope till now we are clear. Okay, and if you run, if you run this, if you run this, print, I have already explained you id of a. Id of a means the object, the object of a that is been printed. Okay, now if I can go and show you, you can go and show you. If I can go and show you, this is the ID of A. Everything. Is it clear? This is the ID of. Uh, this is the ID of this. This is the ID. ID means address. I mean, this D is ID. Okay, this is the ID. ID means your Aadhaar, your house number, memory address. The address of this particular block is known as ID. Okay, object 23 has been created. Object 23 has been created for reference A and at memory address this thing. If you understand this concept, definitely 110% you are going to understand concept of mutability and immutability in future. Just keep this thing in keep this thing in your keep this thing in your brain. Okay, hope everything is fine now. Hmm. Now let me see. Let me give one more example. Let me give one more example. B is equals 45. Print of B. Then print of ID of uh, ID of B. Okay. And let me do CLS. I don't want this particular code. So shift and backslash, it is going to comment out. Save it, run it. Now this is a memory. This is a memory address. Now there is okay. Hmm, We'll run again. Okay. So value a immediately, if I can go and show you this part immediately, if I can go and show you this part. Okay, sir. Now b equals 45. What is going to what is going to come here? What is going to come here if b equals 45? Uh, b equals 45. There will be an object of 45 with reference of b. Then what is going to happen? There will be a reference attached to it. uh, okay, b45, object of 45 for reference b. It has a reference of b. Object reference. Okay, what is the address, sir? What is the address? Okay, sir, nothing but you know already. Then why are you asking? You know already. Why are you asking? This is the address. Happy? Okay. Separately. Now the question comes, sir, in Python, what all data types are object? What all data types create object? What all data types are object are mutable? All the data types, whatever data type you know in Python, all are object. All are object, whether it is integer, whether float. Then like then float. Okay, then str, uh, str, complex number. All are object. Okay, happily we are able to understand this now. Happily we are able to understand this is nothing but ID. Please take a special note. Please take a special note on this part. Hopefully we are clear now. Hmm? We are clear. Okay, now let me quickly go to our integer, specific to our integer. Spacing thing, I'll let you know. Okay, I don't want to make things complex. Okay, step by step. Okay, the problem is when I start teaching, I want to cover everything. I want to cover everything, but you may not be able to take that what I am saying instantly. Okay, once you are good with your previous concept, you will be able to take it. Okay, and one more suggestion, please, please, 110 time I'm telling you, please watch your previous videos. Please watch the previous videos, because it is a continuation. Already we have 5 to 6 videos. Please go ahead, watch the previous videos. Okay, please watch the videos so that you are very much familiar. Very much familiar, so that you don't have to worry, sir, what is this, sir? How memory allocation? Say, today I have taught you about memory allocation. Today I have taught you about memory allocation. But yes, tomorrow you come and say, sir, I may start mutability and immutability. Then you will come and ask, sir, where is the object created? Why you are taking integer as an object? So there, sir. Hmm. There I am going to invite you at my institute, and then I am going to give you left and right. Okay, okay. Don't worry. you you will be asked to immediately. Now this class will be done as paid for you. It will be paid for you. Nothing but you have to pay the e-rickshaw. What we say, rickshaw charges. Okay, then okay. So that don't worry. Now we are talking about integer. We are talking about integer. Sir, anything anything that we have taken in number, anything that we have taken in number, immediately, sir, it goes as integer. Can you show us, sir? Sir, why not? Why not? Sir, mm, okay. Ayo. OMG. Okay. Let me run it. OG. Nowadays OG. Okay. Sir, I have given 45. It is taking an integer. Say I give something, sir, in a big range. Mm. Integer only. Integer only. Integer. No problem. Integer only. No problem at all. Integer only. No problem at all. Let me comment this so that you won't be able to confuse. Uh, Integer only. Okay. Sir, uh, quick thing, sir. If I go and add dot zero, go and add dot zero. Now you see the magic. Sir, Uh, what is this? Float. What is this? Float. Nothing but float. Okay. No, happily, you can see it is making into e plus 37 something something, means exponential. Exponential is also taken. Okay, sir, let me show you magic. Mm, Import, hmm, say, from math. Uh, Import, uh, square root. Square root. No. See this. Maybe you will be Familiar with this? This thing generally we do at the top of the class level. Top of the class level. Import thing. Let me see. Sir, what you have done, sir? Hmm. What you have done, sir? Nothing, nothing. Just I'm trying to show you something. Ah, okay, nothing, sir. Square root of 4. Ah, y equals square root of 4. Print of y. Let me see how many of you can understand this. Maybe it's nothing but okay. Now I want to make a point why Python is only used, why Python is most recommended in AIML, mm, machine learning kind of thing, okay, scripting thing, okay, where you have lot of calculation. Why this thing has been recommended, why this thing has been recommended? Let's see quickly. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, let me run. Ah. Do you see this? Do you see this? Now I am going to take one more thing. Mm. Now I am going to take the value of type of y. Type of y. Mm. Type of y. Mm. Let me type of. Sir, you have taken float. You have taken float. Now, you have taken integer. Now it is coming as float. The function square root square root has been brought from the library math library. Okay, we are using the function of square root, and that square root will be by default it is going to be of type float. Okay, just nothing to worry. Just wanted to show a short example of library. Short example of library. Okay. Let's start with something as data type data type uh, 3 dot py. Hmm. Okay, now we are going, I have taken a different class altogether. We are going to study integer. We are going to study about integer. Take this, don't worry. I'm going to study about integer. Int value. Uh, int type. Int type. Okay, we have already studied. Something. I want to decrease the font. Okay. Uh, we have already studied about. How many types we can define integer. How many types we can define integer? Hmm? A equals to 10, A equals to 50, 100, 1000, 20 lakhs, 20 lakh, 2500, something. Any value. Okay, any value. And how we are finding out what is the type? The type is taken by the function type. Memory, sir, how we are going to find the memory? Memory is taken by the ID. Memory is taken by the ID. If you want to find the memory, you can go ahead with the ID. Okay. Now, sir, let me let me show you something. Let me show you something that you might be familiar with. Hmm, that you might be familiar with. Okay. Int a equals 10. Int b equals this number. Hmm. What is this? Ah, hmm. And definitely you can define, but this definition is not required. Definition is not required. Okay, we don't exactly define. We don't exactly define in Python. Hmm. This suggestions are just given by. These suggestions are just given by int a print. Say if I can print of a. uh, it says like, let me see what it says. Print a is not defined. A is not defined. Hmm. Okay, explicitly we don't have to define this thing. Explicitly we don't have to define this thing. Okay. What I was explaining. What I was explaining. Now, sir, something is this. C equals 1, 1, 1, 1. What is this, sir? What is this? If I can read, hmm, if I can read, someone will say, sir, have you read about 1 0 concept? 1 0 concept. What is the type? Where do we have only 1 and 0? Nothing but binary. Nothing but, nothing but in binary. In binary. In binary. Hmm. Nothing but in binary. Nothing but in binary. So, integer can also represent binary. Hmm. Integer can also represent binary number. Okay. So, if I can say, let me now have quick question. Sir, what is a Hmm, value of a? If I can say, let me quickly. Value of a. Okay. Now, value of b. Nothing but quickly, I can understand value of c. Hmm. If I ask you, sir, what is the value of a? Nothing but you're going to say 10, because you know binary combination won't go without four numbers. 1 0 can't be a combination. At least four numbers, four digits are required. Four digits are at least required. To understand. To just for understand. Just for understanding. No, sir. Quickly, if I can show you. So you will tell like value of a is nothing but 10. Happily, uh, let me let me okay, let me run this. Okay. So if I have to run a specific, see every day we are getting something special. Okay, because see, if just I highlighted this and run, right, so it is not able to understand the other values. Okay, no worry, that's okay, no worries. Every day we are learning something different. While using tools, that is why I said we should use an id so that you will get familiar, and this is the latest of your Visual Studio Code that you can use. Okay, no worries. Let's see, sir. Value of a is 10. Value of a is 10. Happily, we are very happy. Okay, sir, no problem. Sir, value of b is two option. There are two options. Definitely, there will be two options that you are going to say. There will be two options that you are going to say. Either you are going to say, sir, value of value of b is uh, some 1010 binary value, 1010 binary value, something something like that. Value of c is something 15, something 15. This is something something 12 13 something approximately. I don't remember what is the value. Sir, if I can ask, if I can quickly ask, what what is, if I say b equals 1010, what it is going to come? Hmm. What it is going to come? Okay, what it is going to come? Hmm. Sir, when we say b equals 1010, b equals 1010, b, then what exactly you are expecting? What exactly you are expecting? Hmm? Whether it should come as number 10? Hmm? Whether okay, let me take this. It is making confusion. 1010, 1010. Hmm. Just for change, because value of 1010 is, binary of 1010 is 10. Okay, leave it, don't go into that concept. Okay, now if I ask, sir, b of mm, b of 1110, if I am going to take, what exactly it is going to, what exactly it is going to make, sir? What exactly it is going to make? What if I print the value of b? What should it come? Hmm, 14, isn't it? 14. It should come as 14, because 1110 is 14, 1111 is 15. 1010 is nothing but this is 14, and this is the binary of is mhm, binary of triple one. Binary of 111 is 15, and triple 10 is 14. Sir, now I have a doubt. Now I have a doubt. There are two things. If I print b equals, if I assign b equals 1110, and it converts automatically to binary. It converts automatically to binary. Uh, Say tomorrow I am doing a transaction where I have to pay, 1110 rupees. Hmm? And if I assign that value, say here, money to be paid, money to be paid. What is the difference here? Money to be paid. If I say 1110 rupees. Now tell me, hmm, now tell me, what should I do? What is the difference between this and this? Nothing, sir. Uh, it is going to convert into binary, but I have to pay in, the transaction here should be done in money. Don't you see there will be an issue? Don't you see there will be an issue? There will be a problem. There will be a problem. Just to see the number and convert, it will be very difficult. If it is without decimal, Python can understand, sir, it is definitely integer. Okay, if it is with decimal, Python can definitely understand, sir, this is nothing but float. Python can understand. Okay, but if it is 1, it should go as binary. If it is 1 0, it should go as binary. If it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, it should go as integer. Don't you think that is not correct? That is not correct. So automatically you will get an idea, sir. No, no problem at all. No problem at all. Any number, any number if you give, by default it is going to take as, by default it is going to take as, what it is going to take? By default it is going to take as, by default it is going to take as, by default. Okay, let me before completing my words, let me run. Let me run. Uh, Before completing my words, let me run it. Sir, let me comment this so that we can use this for next example. Okay. So, okay. Hopefully you are getting this value. You are getting this value. Let me run it. Value of 10 is certain. Value of B is nothing but B. Value of money to be paid is 1110 rupees. This also 1110 rupees. Okay. Now this is the problem. Now this is the problem. Then, sir, how are you going to represent in binary? Hmm. Then how are you going to okay, let's speak about C also. Let's speak about C also. Let's speak about C. Now the value of C is nothing but triple one. It's not 15. It's not 15. It is going to be triple one. Now, sir, you said integer can be converted into four forms: decimal, uh, decimal, binary, octa, hexa. Hmm. This is nothing but base 2, base 2, base 8, and base 16. Decimal, integer. Let me integer. Int, if I say, better to say, int can be used to represent uh, what, sir? Uh, what all values we can use? Decimal, then uh, these things are rubbish. Okay, don't worry. Decimal, then octa, binary, then binary, mm, octa, octal or octa, hexa, 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 octadecimal, hexadecimal, like that. Okay, means binary means base 2, octa means base 8. Hmm. Like, okay. Then hexa means base of 16. Sir, base of 16. Quickly. Base of 16 means 0 to 0 to 9 as number, and then A to E. A to ES. A to ES. A to ES alpha character. Alphabet or alpha character, whatever. This is 0 to 7. 0 to 7. This is from 0 to 0 to 1. This is from 0 to 1. Decimal is nothing but from base of 10. Base of 10. Okay. Happily, everyone I think can understand. Mm, everyone can understand. Int. This is integer. Okay. Happily, everyone can understand. Let me make it a bit bigger. Mm, now see. Decimal, binary, octa, hexa. Hmm? Decimal, octa, binary, and hexa. Okay, hexadecimal, octadecimal, binary, and decimal. Decimal from 0 to 9, base 10. Binary is base 2, 0, 1. Octal is base 8, 0 to 7. Okay, so some people will be saying like, sir, this is very basic that you are taking. Very basic, sir. This is very basic. If I started my class, I don't want to leave any person who do not understand a single thing. This is for experience. This is also for the freshers. This is even for the people who are studying in 9, 10, 11, 12. Anyone who is watching, who is interested in learn Python. Because AI, mm, AIML, mm, uh, then again, your what we say, new robotics, thing like that. They are using Python only. So anyone, anywhere, if you want to go and make career, definitely you can use Python. So that is the reason I'm going to take each and every step. I know decimal binary octa you have learned in class 6 and 7. No problem, sir. No problem, sir. You have learned many thing in class 6 and 7. If you remember, there was a show that was run by Shah Rukh Khan in Hindi. Shah Rukh Khan, something, some back, okay. क्या आप पांचवी पास से तेज हैं? Okay, so if you remember everything till class 5, already I have studied many things in class 5. Do you remember? No, sir. Many things we have forgotten. We have forgotten. If you are brilliant, then uh, if you are brilliant, then there is no problem. There is no problem, sir. We are going to come. If you are brilliant, go practice some questions. Find out some interview question. Practice it. Okay, but this class I am going to focus for everyone. Okay, so please bear with me. It is just getting revised for you. Okay, happily you can see this. Okay, sir, octa binary, decimal, binary, octa, and hexa, everything we can represent with nothing but integer data type only. Integer data type only. Data type integer only. Okay, sir. But how are you going to do, sir? Already you place triple one. Already you place 1111. It is saying as 111 only. Hmm. It is not showing in like binary or octa or hexa, kind of thing. How should we do that? How should we do that? Happily you can do. Happily you can do it. Happily you can do it. Happily you can do it. How, sir? What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Sir, A equals. Hmm, let me take this. Let me take with C. Anything. No, let me. Okay, sir. If I do something, A equals 1010, or 1110. Print of A. Happily you will say 1010, value of A. If I add A equals, listen very carefully, very carefully, 0, we are converting to binary, 0, B 1 1 1 0, and then we can go ahead and print off A. Then we can go ahead and print off A. Let me see what we are getting, sir. What we are getting? We are getting 14. Let me quickly go. B equals 0 capital B. 1 1 1 1. Something like that. Ah, print of print of B, sir. Value of V. If I can say value of B, sir. Happily, you will get an idea. Happily, you are going to get an idea. Happily, you are going to get an idea, sir. Hmm, okay, let me run it. Sir, value of B is 15. Value of B is nothing but 15 now. Okay. But same thing, same B if I convert to 1 1 1 1 1, and now I say value of B. What it is going to be, sir? What it is going to be? You can understand, right? Ah, did you get that? So anything you should add. So here we can add suffix, add prefix of 0 b, 0 b or 0 capital B. Okay, now you are good. I think we are happy. We are happy. Sir, can you give me an example of octa? Can you give me an example of octa? Ah, okay, sir. No problem. I will give you an example of octa also. Sir, A equals. Uh, A equals. Okay, one more thing. One more thing. One more thing, sir. No, sir. Someone will say, can you show us the data type, sir? Data type. Print uh, type of B. Type of B. Uh, both places I am going to put type of B. Do you see? Both are integer. Both are integer means you can represent binary in form of binary. You can represent in form of integer. Happiness. Okay. Let me take with. Let me take with octa. Let me take with octa. Hmm. A equals octa means 0 to 7. Any number, let's take from 0 to 7. 7, 8, 6, not 8, 7, 4, 6, 4, something. Let me print, print off. Now happily you can tell me. Now happily. Now you are very, very smart. Smartly you can tell me. Smartly you can tell me. Hmm? Smartly you can tell me what is the value, sir. Immediately you can say, I don't think someone will say like converting octa to this will be converted as octa. No, sir, this will be as decimal by default. By default it will be always decimal. By default it is going to be always decimal, sir. Okay, want to convert this to octa, sir. Hmm. Want to convert this to octa, then 0 o 0 o. uh, if you want to this to represent in octa, 0 o, 0 o. Now I am also going to take type. hmm, Type of A. type of A. Okay. Let me run it. Let me run it. Do you see? Do you see? Octa value of 74 something something is nothing but 3902. 3902. Hmm. It's 3902. Sir, both are type integer only. Both are type integer only. Let me take one more example. Let me take one more example of B. Hmm. Let me take one more example of B. Nothing but B. You can take any number 0473. Hmm. 0473. Don't worry, don't worry. Uh, let me analyze. Let me analyze what what it is. Okay. Now we are going to run this. Now we are going to run this. Let's see. Zero. Lending zero in decimal integer is not permittable. Did you understand? Did you understand? So generally when we write something, or how do we write? We don't write a equals. We don't write a equals 0 of 100. No, sir. In this Python, we should not do like this. Mm, we should not do like this. 001 is not correct. 001 is not correct. This is incorrect. Incorrect. Why, sir? Why it is incorrect? Because we are placing 0 before a real number. Mm. Happily you can use this 0, no problem, no problem at all, no problem at all. You can use this 0. No problem at all. But you, if you start with a 1, immediately it is going to give you an error. Okay. Now in Python this is not allowed for decimal values. For decimal values, you should not prefix with 0. You should not prefix with 0. That is the reason it was giving an error. Let's not do that. Let's do 4532. We'll do 4532. 4532. Okay. Did you get that concept? Did you get the concept? Did you get the concept? Okay. Let me before going into that, let me make that concept again aware to you. Again aware to you. X equals 0 of 456. Print of X. If I run this, what it is going to say? This is going to say a system error. It is going to give you this system error. System error. This is going to give you nothing but a system error. Saying 0 in decimal integer literals are not permitted. Prefix for octa integer, something like that. Okay, means 0 is just don't just ignore this thing. 0 is not leading 0. This is leading with 0. This is leading with 0. If I can add 1 here, if I can add 1 here, happily it is going to take. It is no more leading with 0. Again, if I can add 0 here, let me see. Again, it is going to give me an error saying you are leading, sir. You are leading. Your leader is 0. Your leader is 0. Nowadays, in many political parties, leaders are Leaders are zero. Hmm. Leaders are zero. You don't have to name that. Don't have to name that. Otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, this YouTube channel will be banned. This YouTube channel will be definitely banned. Okay, not that banned, bro. Not that banned. No one is going to. From next day, you won't be able to see sir any lecture. Any lecture. I will be inside. I'll be inside. I'll be inside. Okay. So leaders should not be zero. If you are in decimal, leader should not be zero. Means you should not lead with zero. You should not lead with zero. You should not lead with zero. Let's come back to our previous previous concept. Okay. Uh, Happily you are aware. Happily you are aware. Hmm. 1034. 1034. Okay. If I run this, do you see 1034? 10, what is it? Oh, nowadays I'm saying something and showing something. 1034. Hmm? Octa of 78947. Let me see. Why this was not taken? Sometimes they. Okay, okay. Let me see. This is an issue with the. This is an issue with the. Uh, okay. Sorry. Okay. 76546 or 7. Something I'm taking. Octa. Sorry, I was doing with octa. I was doing with octa. Mm. I'm thinking somewhere. I was just thinking of some the digits again. Let me do this again. We are going to run it. You see here, octal. This is going to be octal. This is going to be octal. Ayo, something. I was thinking what I am doing incorrect, man. Because if both values are same, what is the need to have octal? You see, this is the octal format. This is the octal format. This is the octal format. Better to. Okay, no problem. Don't confuse at all. Don't confuse at all. Hmm. Okay. Did you get that? Okay, anything. We can assign this to B also, no problem at all. This can be assigned to B also. Just I was taking the example, so I have done. This can be assigned to B also. It takes as runtime. If you see. Okay, this was before octal conversion, this is after octal conversion. Okay, now this is octal, this is decimal. This is octal, but this is decimal. Let me quickly take another example. B is equal to 7645321 not 8 7 again. Let me see that. Hmm. Let me see that. Don't have to stretch. Don't have to stress. Okay. B, this number, this is now decimal. Again, we have specified with 0 O, then it is converted to this is it is going to represent as a, it is going to consider this number as an octal. This is going to consider this number as an octal. Okay, happily you can understand. Okay, now add a suffix of add a suffix of add a suffix of hmm, add a suffix of O or capital O. Happily you can understand. Let us take with hexa. Let us take with hexa. Let us take with hexa. We are going to take with hexa. A equals to hexa in the sense 1 2 3 4 5 9 something E B C D. E B C D. Sir, quick thing, sir. Ah, then this is A. This is A C S. No problem at all. No problem at all. Sir, do you see this? Hmm? Do you see E B C D is nothing but it is integer. It should not be considered as an integer, but it will be a string. But it will be a string because we have added characters. We have added characters. Let us take with this only. Let us take with this only. Then again, then again, A equals O of 0 of uh, 0 of x. Hmm, 0 of x. Now if I give E, B, C, D, let's see. Do you see this? This is after conversion. This is before conversion. If I give here E, B, C, D, then it is going to be, it is going to be, that is going to be, this is going to be A. Sorry, this type is A. Let us run this and let us run this and see what it is happening. Let us run this and see. Sir, after 9, invalid decimal literal. Invalid decimal literal. EBCD. EBCD is a invalid decimal literal because in decimal we go from 0 to 9 only. We go from 0 to 9 only. Conversion I will tell you. I'll tell you. Base conversion. How are we going to convert 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 to hexa? Thing like that. Okay, I'm going to show you in next class. But just how we are representing uh, integer as a type of decimal, hexa, octa, binary. Okay, let me show you. Hmm. Again, if you see, this is the number. Let me take 9999786. Something like that. Again, let me, do you see? It has been converted. Okay. I think we are good. We are good for now. We are good for now. Suffix should be, uh, suffix should be add x or capital X. Okay, I think we are good for now. We will be carrying on with base conversion. Hmm. We will be carrying on with base conversion. Base conversion in the sense binary to octa, octa to hexa, hexa to what something. Okay, then we are going to take that up. Okay, in the next class, in the next class. Until remember, you just go and subscribe to Nishant Tiwari classes, then it is going to be always every day we are going to go live with. And you people are not watching, you're not watching the previous lectures. We are putting lot of effort. Watch the previous lectures, please, humble request, go watch the previous lectures. This is not for me. I have already studied. I have already studied. This is not for me. This is not for me. Go go watch the previous lectures. Okay, go watch the previous lectures. This is Nishant Tiwari classes. You will be having this on YouTube. This will be having on YouTube. Nothing but red color bold. Okay, every day we are going to start the lecture at 8 o'clock. We are going to start the lecture as 8 o'clock, and you will find your videos as 9:30. 9:30 definitely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Everyone, stay happy. Okay, don't worry about these classes. Don't worry about this classes. Definitely you are going to understand. Definitely you are going to understand. Just stay connected with Nishant Tiwari classes. NTC. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.